Top 10 Newest Inventions in 2021. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Peek. In today's video, we are going to talk about the top 10 newest inventions in 2021. Imagine being able to do in-house workouts with a smart trainer, or even bike through different virtual environments without leaving your living room. That's the future that's being imagined by many inventors who are creating new products that change our lives daily. During the first half of the 20th century, we were able to see the rise of robots, automation and all things mechanical. Then the concept of artificial intelligence came through in the 1960s and introduced various solutions that were beyond human capabilities. It was something that would change the way we live, work and even think. In just over a year, we have witnessed the invention of several incredible things. We have already seen a handful of the most amazing inventions of 2021. In this video, we will talk about the top 10 inventions of 2021 that will change our lives forever. From smart face masks to self-driving cars, here are the top 10 new inventions that have hit the market in 2021. So I see no reason why you shouldn't stay with us to see this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button to stay updated with the latest technology videos out there. Let's jump into the video. 1. The Active Plus Halo Smart Mask by Airpop. With the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic around the world, face masks have become an everyday consideration, and having an excellent face mask is no longer an option. Airpop brings a smart face mask with a smart infiltration system, multiple layers, replacement filters, and a halo sensor embedded in the cloth layer that is connected to an app. With the built-in Halo sensor and the Airpop app that is available in both iOS and Android devices, you will be able to know your breathing rate, mask performance, air quality, and you will be notified when the filter replacement is needed. Masks are the top wearable of the year, and with the pandemic that is still taking place, masks offer appropriate control as it limits the volume and travel distance of expiratory droplets dispersed when talking or coughing. These smart face masks from Airpop are easy to install, light in weight, and you will get 4 filters to start with. 2. Raise 3D Pro 3 Series 3D Printer. Over the last few years, we've seen many companies in various industries embracing the 3D printing technology to manufacture a variety of products, as it offers many significant advances compared to the traditional manufacturing methods. The design, manufacture and test doesn't take time at all. With rapid prototyping, all these processes take as little time as possible thanks to 3D printers. It is also a cost-effective method, offering flexible designs and quality product prototypes to verify them before starting on substantial manufacturing. Raise 3D presents the Pro 3 series, a 3D printer for agile or small batch productions. It has improved usability, higher overall equipment efficiency, and industrial grade repeatedly. It has interchangeable hot ends, which allow users to switch between different materials or those who may want to print different materials but at higher speeds. An auto bed leveling feature that improves the quality of printing through preventive maintenance on the printed parts to ensure quality final output. Airflow manager that improves the air circulation inside the print chamber so that there could be a stable environment, stable for printing materials. Eve Smart Assistant, a built-in smart assistant that provides guidance to users so they may accurately know and fix possible issues that might affect the final print output. Flexible build plate, which provides a surface that objects will stick during printing as it provides a temporary bond. HD camera with enhanced image quality for monitoring 3D printing objects. 3. The Phonak Audio Paradise Hearing Aid. Wearing the Audio Paradise hearing aid is like having the world's most advanced hearing aid right on your ear. This premium hearing aid is the best. It has the sound quality of hearing aids costing thousands more, and the latest technology to give you the best hearing experience possible. The Audio Paradise hearing aid is packed with features that will help you hear more clearly. It has a motion sensor that automatically adjusts hearing based on movements. It also combines a premium, clinically proven hearing aid with a convenient wireless link to Bluetooth in your smartphone, thus enabling users to answer calls, listen to music, listen to the TV or a podcast, or access digital assistants. 4. Samsung Health Smart Trainer on Samsung 2021 TVs. With the pandemic that was still taking shape, working out at home instead of going to a gym was a more convenient and appropriate way to keep you in shape while avoiding the pandemic effects. Samsung brought a smart health trainer to offer a better in-house personal experience with its new TVs. With the Logitech camera that comes with the TV and the Samsung Health app, you can be able to see yourself working out on the screen on the right side, while the workout video will be seen on the left. With the Samsung Health app, you can sync with your TV to see how many calories you have burnt, count reps, and keep track of the workouts. 5. Padron Ring. One of the cool and breathtaking inventions of 2021 is the revolutionary wearable Padron Ring. The Ring, which lets users work the same way they have been working with a touchpad on their computers, is going to revolutionize the traditional mouse. Through this ring, you can easily control your computer using just your finger by connecting it via Bluetooth to any Bluetooth-enabled PC, Mac, Windows, tablet or Android device. It is currently available in 12 different sizes, and it fits just like a jewelry ring, turning any work desk into a limitless touchpad. You can even wash your hands without any problems with it. 6. Dock 5 MultiDevice Charging Station. Early in 2021, Satechi, an award-winning consumer electronics company from California, introduced a modern all-in-one charging solution for all your electronic devices that uses a wireless charging system, the Dock 5 Multi-Device Charging Station. With the Dock 5 Multi-Device Charging Station, you can charge 5 devices at a time, and it has 4 ports and a wireless charging pad that has the ability to charge up to 10 watts. The device is ETL and CE certified with over-temperature protection, so you don't have to worry about safety at all. It comes with silicon drivers that protect the devices, and it is suitable for family homes, offices, studying rooms and more, while keeping all the devices charged and organised. 7. 2021 Mazda 3 Self-Driving Car. Ideal for both city streets and the open road, the 2021 Mazda 3 is a stylish, family-friendly, self-driving car that can sense its environment and move safely with little or no human input. With a rich variety of seats and configurations, this car comes equipped to help you and your family travel in comfort and style. It comes with an adaptive cruise control, forward automatic emergency braking, a lane departure warning with lane keep assist, a standard 8.8-inch screen, and Mazda connected services, which allows you to lock and unlock, remote start and monitor the vehicle through the My Mazda app. It also has a 2.5-litre 4-cylinder that provides adequate power and can integrate with either front or all-wheel drive. If you are looking for the sportiest compact car with self-driving features that will make you enjoy your driving, then you should consider buying a 2021 Mazda 3. 8. Blync. Imagine being able to bike through different virtual environments without leaving your living room. With Blync, you can sync your bike with virtual reality to venture across various terrains with friends as if you are outdoors. The setup is very easy and takes few steps. You play bike games in virtual reality with friends. You can track your fitness activity, and it even lets you create your own terrain. The Blync package contains a path and speed sensor and access to the app with all the environments to ride your bike in the virtual worlds. Don't you have a virtual reality device? Well, you can also enjoy Blync even with your computer screen. The path sensor is designed to measure the bike turning motions and support the wheel size, while the speed sensor measures the speed of the bike. 9. Ampere shower power. Another cool invention is the Ampere shower power. This is an electronic shower head with a hydro-power Bluetooth speaker made from 100% recyclable ocean plastic. With it, you don't have to recharge it as it runs on water from your shower. You can play your favourite music, listen to podcasts or audiobooks while taking a shower. Delivered worldwide, this system is designed to fit on any shower head, either fixed, rain or handheld, and it just takes 1 minute to install. Shower Power is the world's first electronic shower head that saves water and energy while giving you more power in the shower. It works by converting your existing shower into an energy-efficient hydro-power shower. Simply connect Shower Power to your existing shower head and you'll experience an immediate reduction in water pressure. At the same time, you'll be saving the environment as it's made of 100% recycled ocean plastic. 10. Cube. This lightweight and portable speaker will allow you to listen to your favourite music anywhere, anytime. It has a battery-powered portable system that seamlessly syncs via Wi-Fi and can last up to 40 hours. Its elegant design makes this speaker stand out compared to other party box speakers. It is made out of quality weather-resistant materials and tightly sealed enclosures. Cube has a fantastic sound quality with impressive output levels, and it can even pair with up to 32 speakers simultaneously. With its app, the CubeSync app, you can install it either on your iOS or Android device, where you can play music, adjust volumes, configure audio channels, and much more. In conclusion, we can't wait to see what we'll see in the next 10 years. With the entire history of science and technology to draw from, we're sure that we'll see many more fascinating and useful inventions in the years to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any technology videos like this one. If you love this video, I highly recommend you watch this video here on your top left about the top 10 gaming laptops in 2021. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.